How do you get your first 1,000 subscribers? Where do you get your first views on YouTube if you have 0 subs? What should the first video be like? How do you shoot it? And ultimately, what should you even create on YouTube in 2024? In this video, I will answer all these questions. My name is Otto Weiner, and let's go. So you've created a YouTube channel, decided to record your first video, you're held back by doubt. Who will even watch me? I have 0 subs, why upload videos? After all, YouTube itself says in its videos that the more watch time, the faster you get into recommendations. So it turns out the more views you get, the more views you get. How to break this vicious cycle? And how many views do you need to get your first 1,000 subscribers? First and foremost, don't even think about the number of subs. But why? Why shouldn't I? Many new YouTubers think that hitting 1,000 subs means they've made it. But then what? You need to think about your YouTube channel strategy for the year, not just for the first 1,000 subs. Many say lots of subscribers means lots of views. Well, not true. What does YouTube tell us? You can increase your chances of getting recommended by improving your CTR and watch time. What's watch time? It's your views multiplied by the average view duration. Now views just work on boosting your average view duration and improving your CTR, which depends on how relevant and engaging your content is. Alright, now it's a bit clear where subscribers come from. They come from views, which come from recommendations, which in turn come from good CTR and audience retention. But how do we get those first views on YouTube? Any tips for increasing CTR? Collaborations are the best resource for initial traffic. Do some collabs. But what if you don't have resources? YouTube search is the new YouTuber's best friend. Yes, there is still about 5 to 7% of traffic left in YouTube search. I will explain using my channel as an example. Otto Weiner, which got monetized in its first month. What's the secret? Why did we start getting views the right way? Pretty simple. We start making videos that people were searching for. Just start creating search-driven videos and you will get views in your first 1,000 subs. Some people set up ads and waste money or even try boosting views through shady methods. It's utterly useless. We strictly forbid our clients from even showing their YouTube channels at the very start. Why? Let's say you have 100 Instagram followers. Well, cool, right? And you share your new video with them. But your Instagram followers might be watching, say, cat videos on YouTube, or maybe they turned on Baby Shark for their kids. Meanwhile, your channel it's about tying shoelaces. If many of your followers inexplicably watched Mr. Beast, Taylor Swift, or Baby Shark, then YouTube will automatically think your content is either Baby Shark, Mr. Beast, or Taylor Swift. Do you want that? No, you need targeted views. To get into the recommendations cluster, you need to reach people who watch exactly the same content. I repeat, again. So there's nothing better than ordering some sponsored ads on similar YouTube channels, like literally reaching out to them, to some YouTube creators in your niche and offering them a collaboration. Like, hey man, I love your content. I think we could help each other. Let's do a collab. Or you could simply upload videos. Yes, just upload videos on YouTube. Take a look at our client. She's a famous ballerina who talks about how she dances or does makeup. Her first video, uploaded 5 years ago, gained 20,000 views. And look, now the channel has 250,000 subs. One video even gained 700,000 views. Maria and our team are really happy with the result. I'm absolutely sure that we'll hit our first 1,000,000 views soon. This is a vivid example of why you don't need to worry about who will even watch you. Just go and upload videos. But the question is, what kind of videos to make? What's trendy on YouTube now? What should I talk about in 2024? The dumbest question I often hear from beginners, because there's no better content for you than the content you can create yourself. And most importantly, it should be something you know a lot about. So let's say you work as an engineer. Teach people how to become engineers. But now you've watched countless videos of experts and decided to make videos about cooking or speedrunning GTA Vice City. No, stop. You must understand how important a personal brand is, because personal brand is the most profitable thing in this life. Hey, so how much is this t-shirt? This t-shirt is $1,000. 1,000? Why is it so expensive? Well, it's a t-shirt from John Johnson himself. Oh, from John Johnson himself? Yeah, from the legendary John Johnson. Has 1 million subs on YouTube. 1 million? I'll take it. I told you so. Okay, we're building a personal brand. Okay, we made a video in a niche we're good at. But when will the first views come? You shot 1 video, 2 videos, 3 videos, and still nothing. And at this step, 99% of novice YouTubers stop. Fatal mistake. Never stop. Look, our channel, Good and Hunger, which now has 34,000 subs, made $10,000 since June. Only started getting into recommendations after we made 12 videos. We uploaded 16 videos before recommendations started coming in, and this is our channel, which we produced. For 1 month, we worked in vain. In the second month, we made 200 books. In the third, 1,600, and in September, we made 5,300. Wow. Easy peasy, why not do the same? Because you will just give up on your channel after that. If your first video doesn't hit 1 million views, oh no, it's all over for you. No, it's not over, because I believe in you now, and I know now that you can't stop. Make a content plan for 10 to 15 videos and be sure that everything will work out for you. But where do you even start? You think my first video should be like this, right? Hi, my name is Arthur Weiner, I create channels, and on this channel, I will talk about how to make channels. Nobody cares what your name is. Nobody cares who you are and why you created this channel. These channel trailers, like videos come out on Fridays and put in a schedule on the banner, won't make people watch your videos. Imagine YouTube gave you the channel of the most popular channel in your niche for one video. What would your video look like? Record that video now. Even if you cringe at saying hello subscribers when you have none, do it anyway. Someday, believe me, this video will get 1,000 likes. When your channel goes into recommendations, this video will be shown along with the others. Remember, every video on YouTube is a separate unit, and the quality is simple: click-through rate and retention. I've said it 1,000 times and I'll say it again. Record the video the most popular YouTuber in your niche would make. And if you're not keen on handling optimization, script writing, thumbnail creation, and content planning, just click the magical link in the description. We will take care of everything for you, from research to video topics and much, much more, with the help of our skilled YouTube agents. Whether you're looking to turn your hobby into a real job or building your personal brand, our online YouTube agency is here to help. Alternatively, if you prefer to manage solo, our full-time YouTuber Academy offers detailed lessons to kickstart your YouTube channel. So let's connect. Simply click the link in the description. Now you might ask what to do if you don't have the necessary equipment, such as a light. Listen, I shot my first video on my phone at my kitchen table. Now my light costs around $300, which isn't much when the channel brings in money. When it doesn't, use what you have. You know, I like to say it's not important whether you use an old Xiaomi or Red camera if you don't know how to work on YouTube. Understand your audience, their needs, and create content that holds their attention. Remember I told you about my channel? We start making videos that people were searching for. So here it is. Let's break down my video, which got 100,000 views in just 18 days. Awesome! I will show you how this video gained a ton of views and helped me win over subscribers by leveraging a hot, trending topic that I know a lot about. So first, let's take a look at the statistics. On the first day, the video gained over 20,000 views. Great start thanks to the activity of our viewers. By the third day, views increased to 80,000. By the 10th day, we approached 95,000 views, and by the 18th day, finally, we hit 100,000. This clearly shows that the video continues to find its audience even after the initial trend wave. And what about subscribers? I gained about 300 new subscribers in the first 15 days. It's thrilling to see that this video significantly outperformed our usual metrics, grabbing over 69,000 views from YouTube's home and up next suggestions, compared to our typical range of 4,900 to 14,000 views in the same time frame. What made this video stand out was likely its topic, title, and thumbnail, which connected more effectively with our audience. This led to a higher click-through rate of 8.9%, significantly above our usual range of 5.6 to 6.7%. So let's dive into what was different about this video and discuss how we can leverage these insights for future content. Why did this video get so many views? We analyzed and replicated the most successful trends. Let's take the thumbnail as an example. The most popular videos on the channel feature a phone or a laptop that hasn't been released yet. This grabs interest as if we already have this phone in hand. Thus, viewers see the iPhone 16 for the first time. We worked hard on the thumbnail to make the iPhone look according to the latest rumors and insiders. The triangular camera that Apple fans have been waiting for is with a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera. It's 4 times better than the previous previous models, incredible. The second side button allows iPhone users to just zoom and focus and start recording video, will be located on the right side of the iPhone under the power button. Viewers are very curious about what it will look like, and we are the first to satisfy the viewers' interest. Another successful trend is don't buy. You know why YouTube loves thumbnail titles like don't buy? It's all about curiosity. Such phrases make us click and check what's so terrible or bad about this product that it's not worth buying. It's a hook that instantly grabs attention because we're all used to being urged to buy something. And then, whoa, don't buy. And we're instantly involved. Why? What's wrong? The magic of clickbait. And what about the choice of topic? Why exactly iPhone 16? Everyone is interested to find out what the next model will bring, what features will be added, how the camera will be improved, how much it will cost, add rumors, leaks, all these comparisons with previous models, and it's no wonder that videos on this topic gain thousands and millions of views. People want to know if their phone is worth upgrading. Understanding why this video gained many views helps us adjust our strategy, increasing the number of views and subscribers with each new video. Remember, it's not just about chasing numbers, it's about crafting content that resonates and engages. Upload regularly, but prioritize quality over quantity. Let's take our partner, Dennis, as an example. When we started, had about 400,000 views, and the growth, well, the growth is pretty good. But after we started working together, we canceled those crazy daily uploads that Dennis and his whole family were burned out on. And the channel started to go up faster because each video became better quality. And today we have 2 million subscribers. Dennis released one video every day. It's almost 30 videos a month. Now Dennis has released 9 videos in the last 28 days and the results have grown. He used to upload videos daily, but after reducing the volume to 9 videos a month, his results improved because we showed him the formula for his channel. If you're starting from zero, focus on content that people are searching for. Here's what YouTube tells us: improve your CTR and watch time. Just keep creating content that taps into what viewers want, and those views and subscribers will start rolling in. Don't get caught up in the numbers game. Just focus on quality content. And see you in the next video.